It arrived late and was slow to get a move on, but the southwest monsoon has picked up pace. Southern, western and eastern parts of the country are now getting lashed by heavy rains, and it's likely that monsoon clouds will cover most parts of North India, including the NCR, in the next 2 to 3 days. If this does not cheer up those who've been worried about the advance of the monsoon, the Met Department has more to offer. The rainfall registered in the country so far has been 21% above normal. Central India has seen the normal level of rain being exceeded by 45%. South India has experienced 35% more than normal rain. East and northeast regions of the country have received 3% above normal rainfall. Northwest India has lagged behind with 7% below normal rain. The rainfall in Maharashtra's dry Vidarbha region has already crossed normal levels for June, much before the month has ended, defying Met Department predictions. All districts in Vidarbha have received over 100 millimeters of rain, except for Akola, where it's been 99.1 millimeters.
देखिए नॉर्मल तारीख डेट भी लगभग यही है। अगर आप देखें तो हमने बताया कि अगले 2-3 दिनों में यूपी में, जम्मू कश्मीर, हिमाचल, उत्तराखंड में मानसून आ जाएगा। साथ ही साथ पंजाब, हरियाणा और राजस्थान के कुछ और इलाकों में मानसून पहुंच जाएगा। तो ये नॉर्मल समय है इसमें मानसून आने का। तो इसमें कोई नॉर्मल से पहले मानसून नहीं पहुंच रहा, ये लगभग निर्धारित समय है।
Southwest monsoon has been active in several areas of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. The next 2 to 3 days could see it covering the entire North India. Odisha has been experiencing heavy showers which have raised flood fears in several areas. North Odisha and several far-flung areas of the state are expected to experience heavy rains in the next day or two. The state government has sounded an alert in 4 districts. Heavy rains have damaged 423 homes in Malkangiri, and the road link to some areas has been cut off.
On an average, in the last 2 days, we have received 17 to 18 centimeters per day of rainfall, and water level in many rivers has increased. However, we have kept our officers in all the headquarters. They are moving from village to village, alerting the people. Wherever necessary, we have opened temporary shelters.
In Gujarat, several areas are getting rained out. Heavy downpour has left normal life in complete disarray in Valsad. In many areas, homes have simply collapsed.
हमारे गांव में 1 बजे से पवन चालू हुआ, बाद में सब वो घर का पतरा और नलिया सब उड़ गया। बाद में उसको तात्कालिक में अभी तारपटली की जरूरत है। ताराजी में 40-45 घरों का पतरा और एंगल बेंगल सब हवा में उड़ गए हैं, और यहाँ पे रहने की और ये बारिश की सीजन में उन लोगों को रहने की भी तकलीफ है। अभी भारी नुकसान हुआ है।
Mumbai received steady rain from Tuesday morning, leading to waterlogging at Milan Subway, Hindmata, Sion and Jogeshwari. Maximum City has been getting heavy rain for the last 5 days. The Met Department has said the city could see continuous rain for the next 24 hours, which has already impacted rail, road and air traffic.
हमें सुबह ऑफिस जाना होता है, तो आने जाने में बहुत ज़्यादा तकलीफ होता है। बस चाहूँगा कि ऊपर वाले से कि बारिश कम हो, काम ठीक तरह से कर सकें।
अभी इसमें गाड़ी बंद पड़ी तो हमको तकलीफ है, गाड़ी का कुछ पार्ट टूट गया तो हमको तकलीफ है।
And steady rain is also being experienced in almost all parts of Andhra Pradesh. River levels have been on the rise in Karimnagar and West Godavari districts. The Met Department has warned of normal to heavy showers in almost over the next 3 days. Those who've headed to the hills to escape the heat of the plains, particularly in North India, have been enjoying some wet weather. Creases on foreheads of farmers and governments have receded, with most states now getting good rains. The centre has said that better than normal rain implies the sowing of kharif crops like paddy, pulses and soybean will gather pace. It can only be hoped that North and Northwest India also enjoy bountiful showers which quench the thirst of people for good weather in both cities and villages. Newsnight Desk, DD News.